This is a screencast of Outline Designer 1.2. So 1.2 went final just the other day. We had a minor security announcement. You can read the details of it at the project page if you care to view them, but it's a fairly minor security announcement. Organic Groups is now supported in 1.2, so you see there's an Outline Designer OG helper module. So I'm going to go through and show off the new interface, some of the performance increases, as well as what that integration is like. So let's start off by creating a book. So make a new book, go to Book Outline, create one, hit save. I'll go to Admin, and we'll go to Books. So when you install the Outline Designer, you'll see you get an Add Book button here. It's important to go to Settings and ensure that you are allowing certain content types to be usable by books. Usability is the Outline Designer tab. So you can see there's this has been cleaned up a bit as well. 1.2 is a lot of cleanup in the interface for usability reasons. So I can switch between a few different themes. So we'll go with an XP look. Collapse nested content by default. So this is the way it comes installed, and I'll show what that is. You can select from a few different packaged icons. I've switched to a different icon set. Go to List and edit order and titles just like I would before. Let's see traps for this. This is actually a core issue as to why you have to have it create one page in the outline by default. You'll see it already adds it to this, so you pretty much just have to hit save. So here's my first page. First thing you'll notice is these little book icons. So there's close all branches and open all branches. These icons also are what used to be the text links before to increase the interface size, decrease it, as well as reset it to the original state. So scale it up. I can hit add content. See, I got my book page. This has been cleaned up a little bit. Add content. There we go. I can rename, edit, view, delete, duplicate, or change the content type. So if I want to add content below this, see it nested under there. Got this nice little arrow. Collapse it. If I hit the collapse all, it'll collapse all and open all. I can rename this. See it reloads. I can also do this and just do inline. I can hit edit and it'll jump me off to the edit page for that node. If I hit view, obviously that'll just take me to viewing it. I can delete this, so that goes away. Duplicate, I can either duplicate one or I can duplicate many. And you'll see it does a pattern type of a duplication based on the title. So let's just add two after everything, or after that one thing. So that's one item that was duplicated. So let's nest it under there. And then we'll do a duplicate and duplicate hierarchy. Copy. So you see it duplicates the whole thing. It will do, it is duplicating literally the entire structure. So if I do like title 3 here, it'll grab this nested thing. It does this with 100% accuracy now. That was an issue in 1.1 that's been resolved. See, I can collapse these. Let's open just this one, and it will remember the state of things as to whether they're open and closed on refresh. So if I want to delete this structure, say delete hierarchy, goes away. These have been kept open. I can pop that open. I can hit change type on this. Changing content types where I have undesirable effects. So only do this if you know why you're doing it. Occasionally there are issues where maybe you deleted a content type or you're about to delete a content type and there's no real difference between page and book page, so you want to move things over to a book page. Or maybe there's certain rendering connotations for one versus another, such as a folder that's just an organizing element and a page that actually has content on it. So in the next continuation of this part 2, I'm going to pick up with the Organic Groups integration.